Did you know that non-verbal communication accounts for over 90% of our daily interactions? Fascinating, right? Well, today, we're diving into a game-changing book that will teach you how to decode those non-verbal cues and understand people like never before. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're exploring Read People Like a Book by Patrick King. This book is a treasure trove of insights for anyone looking to sharpen their social skills and become a master at reading people. So, let's dive right in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me give you a sneak peek of what's inside. Read People Like a Book covers everything from decoding body language and facial expressions to understanding vocal tone and micro-expressions. It's like having a secret decoder ring for human behavior. One of the most valuable lessons from this book is the power of body language. Did you know that only 7% of communication is verbal? That means the other 93% is conveyed through body language, gestures, and facial expressions. King breaks down the key body language cues to look for and how to interpret them accurately. Another fascinating aspect of Read People Like a Book is the focus on vocal tone. Your tone of voice can reveal a wealth of information about your emotions, intentions, and even your confidence level. King provides practical tips on how to tune in to vocal cues and decipher the underlying messages. Last but not least, micro-expressions are tiny facial expressions that flash across our faces in less than a second, often revealing our true feelings. Read People Like a Book teaches you how to spot these micro-expressions and decode their meaning, giving you a deeper understanding of people's emotions and intentions. Well, folks, that's a wrap for today's video. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of human behavior and become a master at reading people, I highly recommend picking up a copy of Read People Like a Book by Patrick King. Trust me, it's a game changer.